Mr. Speaker, this morning I rise to move a very important motion brought pursuant to Order 12 and Order 28 of our standing orders. Mr. Speaker, the said motion is a motion to remove the Majority Leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Edison Ehie. Mr. Speaker, the motion is signed by 24 members of this Honorable House, and they are 1. Honorable Major Jack, Honorable Adoke Toyin Smart, Honorable Yenchi Prince, Honorable Enemi George, Honorable Granville Tekinari, Honorable Lolo Opuende, Honorable Igwe Afoji, Honorable Wami Solomon, Honorable Ofix Kaban, Honorable Silvanus Wankwo, Honorable Justina Emeji, Honorable Amadi Emilia, Honorable Barile Wanko, Honorable Arnold Davis, Honorable C. Wankwo, Honorable John Dominic, Honorable Peter Abe, Honorable Gerard Ofoji, Honorable Ngba Bernard, Honorable Wabuchi Franklin, Honorable Nkenjika Ezekwe, Right Honorable Jumble Mao, Honorable Azero Opara, Honorable Ignatius Oginiba. Mr. Speaker, the reason for this motion is for inefficiency and ineffectiveness. Mr. Speaker, I so move. With your leave, Mr. Speaker, may I lay it at the table.
Please proceed. Colleagues, by the voting, those that voted in favor of the removal of Edison Ehie as the majority leader of this House, 23, abstention nil, against nil. By that result, Edison Ehie is now removed as the majority leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly in line with our standing orders.